Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use any VPNs on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So you can manually configure VPN on your iPhone or you can use an app from your app store. So in order to manually configure, you can go to your settings and in settings, tap on general. And after tapping on General, you can scroll all the way down until you see the option of VPN and device management. Tap on it, and then here you can see there is the option of VPN. Tap on it, and then you can see the option of Add VPN configuration. You can tap on it in order to configure a VPN to your iPhone. Just like this, here you can see you can add in the details of your configuration and tap on the done option, and like that you will be all set with your VPN configuration and you can use VPN on your iPhone. So the second thing is to use app from your app store, for which you can go to your app store and search for VPN and download the app of your desire. So for now, I have already installed a VPN app, that is this app called 1.1.1.1. You can also use this VPN if you want. So simply just open the app. So after opening the app, here you can see the option of install VPN profile. Tap on it in order to install VPN profile on your iPhone. And then again tap on allow. And now enter your phone passcode. This VPN actually changes DNS so that you can enter any kind of server, and the process might be different from the type of VPN that you are using. And the process of this VPN is to simply install and enable. So I'm going to do exactly that. You can proceed yours accordingly. And now here you can see you have been successfully connected to a VPN. You can go back to your settings, and in here you can see the VPN status is turned on, and the VPN the device is currently using is the same app that I showed. And now you're all set and you can use your VPN however you like. And just like this, you can use VPN on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.